Hello friends, welcome to my first YouTube video of the year, and it's also my very first video in English, so please forgive any mistakes along the way. Today I am excited to share with you a DIY project, making a stand out of a paper to hold St. Anthony's statue. So let's dive right in. First, gather your supplies, glue and paper strips in two different colors. Begin by sticking the strips one by one like this. And for this step, we will need approximately 80 strips of cream color. And next, use the quilling tool to roll each strips like this. And also repeat this process for all 80 strips until you achieve a final look. And a final look like this. Secure the final end with glue. And also, after completing the cream colored strips, take around 30 strips of brown color and repeat the same process. And once finished, join both colors together. Then roll them together with the cream colored strips and secure the end with glue. This is the final look. To straighten the stand, apply glue to one entire side. Once it dried, repeat the same process for the other side also. The final result, once dry, will look like real timber. Next, carefully remove any stickers from the base of the statue. Apply a generous amount of glue to assure secure attachment. There you have it, a beautiful and handmade display piece. Thank you for joining me this crafting journey. Stay tuned for more exciting projects and also, my dear friends, remember, creativity knows no bounds. Until next time, happy crafting.